Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is TheJinzo here. So today we're gonna be doing Dark World Dangers again because I haven't done this in a little while. And so this is under the new FNL list, which is good-ish, I guess. Okay, you should have done that on trade-in. You should have been. I honestly think I just bricked so bad.
I promise you I worked worse than you did.
Huh?
I promise you I worked worse than you did.
Highly doubt that.
No.
That's literally all I could do this time. Maybe I should cut it down to a, what do you call it, deck. I opened bad. I have part of extravagance in my hand, but I opened bad. Sure. Yeah, let's go with that. Oh god, she's playing Trick Stars. I honestly did not know what she was playing when I'm assuming she's playing Trick Stars and not like Orcus or something. I hope she's not playing Orcus. The way I opened up, that would be very bad. But if she's playing Orcus, because she just opened up with the Orcus combo. I think she's playing pure Trick Stars though. I don't know if she has Orcus even built. Oh yeah, yep, she's playing Trick Stars. Which is a horrible matchup for me. Because that means I can't do any of my dangerous shit because she's gonna keep burning me. Round 2. Screw this. I bricked and she opened well. Oh, I broke so bad. Fucking bullshit. No, you did not. You did not.
I just
You
got a better
didn't.
hand with extravagance.
Part of Extravagance is such a good card. It's crazy. Like, it works so well with Trick Stars.
I opened with 2 Ash Blossoms, 2 Cold by the Grave, and 1 Pot of Extravagance.
Ooh, that is a bad hand. I'm hosting. Because that was literally just a 3-minute turn. A 3-minute duel. I think we have time for another one. I was quick. I expected you to pick paper again. Huh, interesting. Yeah, I think I might cut it down to 40 or 50 cards so I won't be breaking so much. Not that this hand is bad. Y'all might think I'm gonna be discarding this with this, but no, I'm gonna do it with this because this won't trigger. Okay. Wait, what? Its effect should be negated. Oh, wonderful. She has. I think I know what she's gonna pick. Yep. I'm sad. Saddy face. Seriously? I drew into a fucking Bigfoot after she... Jeez, my luck. I know she's not cheating. I hate you. Of course she picks tricks on us. She had no idea what I was picking, so there's no way she knew that I was gonna be playing this. And that it would be a good matchup for her. I don't know what that face down is, and I don't want to find out. Not what I was expecting. I was hoping she would actually pick this. Uh,
You were just like getting burned to death.
yeah, I have to stop. I have to end that right now. Which pretty much just means that I just had to pass my. I had to just stop what I was doing, which really is most unfortunate. I hope she doesn't play evenly matched. That would be most unfortunate for me. Don't you think, Betty?
Yep.
And she do have the ability to make Teketsu Emerald. That's kind of funny. Teketsu Emerald in 2019. Who would have guessed, huh? Oh, God. That's horrible. I actually should have used this. Shit. I misplayed. I'm glad she hit that. I use that for, there's a hand loop you can do with this deck. Not that she has much of a hand to loop out anyway. I wonder what she's gonna hit in my hand. I have no idea what she could possibly hit. I only have one card. Bigfoot, I guess? I don't know. Wait, why did I do that? I could have made Skull Dread. Ah, I just screwed up. Shit. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That's what I said you were going to do.
Yeah, I don't know why it's in Bigfoot, other than the fact that I'm an idiot. Ah, I hate you. I hate you. You suck, babe.
Really? Why? For both?
Yes. Not amusing.
I actually learned my deck.
I know. But just imagine getting burnt to death by your own card. Really, that gotta suck? I made a couple misplays, but that's fine. Also, your monsters aren't 19. Yours won't be 1900 attack points. Actually, one might. Really? You actually should have pointed it towards Scoldred, babe. Scoldred would have given it an extra 300 attack points. So you'd been hitting me for 1100 directly, which would have really sucked. Oh, I'm glad I reborn her Licorice now, because she could have brought back Licorice with Lilybell and then reveal Lilybell, add Lilybell back to the hand, special Licorice, and then special Lilybell and attack again for 1100. That would have been 2200 damage, which is quite a bit. Okay. Okay. This is a pretty even match. 4800 to 4200. These are nothing. I don't care if she knows. So basically, the only card we have are links. All of the cards guide me. Kinda guided me? Ish? Eh? I randomly drew into a dog. I blind lure into a dog monster. But to be fair, that's most of my deck. So the odds were pretty high that I was gonna draw a dog. Uh, card destruction? Well, poopy. Poopity poop poop. This sucks. Assuming she hits the right cards. I highly doubt she will hit the wrong ones. I'm a teacher. I taught her how to play Yu-Gi-Oh! She knows better. She knows that doesn't negate. Yep. Of course. Wait, I thought I used Nessie. Oh no, that was last turn. It's once per turn, not once per duel. I don't know what I'm thinking. Shit. What to add? Thunderbird? I might actually not have time for deck profile, y'all guys. I'm sorry. This duel is lasting longer than expected. I'll end it right now. Good game. So, running through this real quick. 3 Grappa, 2 Gold, 2 Silver, 2 Beige, 3 Snow, 3 Brow, 3 Celestial, whatever it's called, 3 Bigfoot, 3 Thunderbird, 3 Ugabuka, 2 Nessie, 3 Dogman, 3 Chupacabra, 3 Mothman, 2 Jackalope, 2 Pam, 3 Exodias, Reborn, Foolish Card Destruction, 3 Beginning of the End, 3 Advanced Draw, 3 Trade-In, 3 Allure, 1 that got to Emerald, 1 thing Zendrew, 2 number 38 Hope Harbinger Dragon, Titanic Galaxy, 2 Divine Dragon Night Bell Grand, oops, 1 Nightmare Mermaid, 1 Nightmare Phoenix, 1 Nightmare Cerebus, 1 Clara, 1 this guy, 1 Underclock Taker, 3 Skull Dragon. I hope you guys enjoyed them. Subscribe and take in the comments below. I have like 30 seconds left. So I had to really go through that one. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed them. Subscribe and think in the comments below. I'll catch you guys later. Jinzo, signing now. Also, I apologize for not doing a video yesterday. I completely forgot. I thought I uploaded one and I didn't. So I do apologize for that. I'll see you guys later. Bye.